everybody. Today we're going to have a look at creating pictograms. We're going to be given some information, and using that information we're going to put it into a pictogram. So our LO today is to use data to create a pictogram. Yesterday we had a look at tally charts, which are slightly different to pictograms because we're just using lines. We were just using vertical and diagonal lines. Today, looking at the word pictogram, you can see that we've got the word picto at the beginning. And picto just means picture. So you're going to be drawing pictures into your chart to show the information that you're going to be given. So let's have a little look at the information that we're going to be given. Here is a tally chart showing countries who have sent someone into space. And they're all different totals, they're all different numbers, and we're going to have a look through them. As you can see, I've completed the tally chart by filling out the headings here. We've got country, tally and total. Down the left hand side we've got the names of the countries. In the middle we've got the tallies that correspond to those countries, but we haven't yet got the totals. So in a moment I'm going to ask you to pause the video and to write down the totals for each country by looking at the tallies for that country. So I'd like you to pause the video now. Well done. So let's have a look and see the totals for each country and see if you got those correct. So for Germany, Germany has two groups of 5, so we've got 5, 10 and then one more which makes 11. Then the United Kingdom, they have only sent 2 people to space because we've got 2 vertical lines there. China, we've got a group of 5 and another group of 5, and we know that that makes 10. Italy, we've got a group of 5 and 2 more, so we've got 5, 6, 7. And then Canada, finally, we've got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's 5 and 4 more, which makes 9. So there are our totals, and our job now is to put those into a pictogram. Here we go. Now you might notice something slightly different about the pictogram. In the top right hand corner, we've got a key. We're going to talk about the key in just a moment. Just going to put in those totals so that we've got them there. There they are. And now we're going to use them to put into our pictogram. Now, my key is what my picture is going to be. And I can decide what my picture is. I could choose a stick man, I could choose a smiley face, I could do whatever it is to represent one person. So I'm going to choose a smiley face for my person. Okay, so one person is one smiley face. And I'm going to fill in a couple of these countries, and then it's your job in just a moment to fill in the rest of those countries on your worksheet. So I'm going to go with the United Kingdom. I'm going to do 2 smiley faces because they sent 2 people to space. Nice and straightforward. For Italy, I'm going to do 7 smiley faces because they have sent 7 people into space. So I'm going to do all of those smiley faces to represent 7 people that they have sent into space. So on the next page, that's if you were going to do a key as one person is equals to one picture. How would it look now if you changed your key to 2 people being one picture? So again, I'm just going to fill in those totals there. 11, 2, 10, 7 and 9. So now, instead of my smiley face being one person, it's now 2 people. So for the United Kingdom, I've only got 1 smiley face because there were 2 people, but 1 smiley face equals 2 people. So I only need 1 smiley face. We're practicing counting in 2s when we're doing this. So looking at China, I'm going to do 1 smiley face, 2 people, 2 smiley faces, 4 people, 3 smiley faces, 6 people. You see, if we're counting in 2s, we're going to go 2, 4, 6. Okay? 4 smiley faces, 8 people, and 5 smiley faces, 10 people. Okay? Now, that works really well for even numbers, but what about odd numbers? Let's have a look at Italy. Italy has got 7 people that they've sent to space. So let's now go with 2, 4, 6. Now, if I did another smiley face, I would have 8 people there, but we don't want that because that's too many. I can't leave it the way it is because that's only 6 people. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw half a smiley face to represent 1 person. Okay? Because half of 2 is 1. Now, once you've completed your work, you have these challenges to have a look at. This one here, look at this pictogram. Number of children in class 5. We've got a pictogram representing girls, but we have an empty boys section. Okay? It says 2 children is 1 circle and 1 child is half a circle. How many girls are there in the class? Okay? Then over here, we have a pictogram to show how many stickers some children have got. And what we're going to have a look at is how many stickers does Ling have. Okay? And you can see at the side there that the numbers will correspond to the stars given. Have a look out for any extra challenges as well that you might be given. What I would like you to do is I would like you to fill out your pictogram using the information that we've given you previously about countries that have sent people into space. You can either have a key for 2 people or you may have a key for 1 person. That's totally up to you. Once you've done that, you can move on to doing your challenges.